As an alternative to publishing and unpublishing your content, you can lock the assignments as you create them so that students will still be able to view the assignment, but won't be able to make a submission on it. This will help clarify things and minimize confusion. So for example, if I see this 3 embedded assignment description box, I'm going to go ahead and edit that. If I scroll to the bottom, I can designate it as locked. And when I do that, I have a couple options. It's unlocked by default right now. I can lock it on a certain date if I want to. So maybe this is the end of the semester when I know I'm not going to submit any more assignments. I can front load this for students into the assignment itself. And I don't have to go back and manually lock assignments or unpublish them if I can schedule them in this way here. I can also lock it now. In a similar way, if you didn't want to use the locking feature, you could also disable submissions. This will automatically lock the assignment. Again, this would have to be done manually. The cool thing about locking is that you can schedule the lock. And so that's why maybe a lock would be something that works for you and your students. So at least they can still see it. They still see their grades, but they just can't submit anything.